Hey guys, welcome to another D4 Guns video. Today we're taking a look at a Sig Sauer P365XL. As you can see, it still has the original hard case with all the info there. See the 2021 manufacture date. Still a pretty new gun. Let's open it up. First, let's take a look at the extras here. Comes with two 12-round magazines and one extended 15-round magazine. Let's take a look at the gun. Still in great shape. Has the X-Ray 3 front sight, glow-in-the-dark night sight there. That flat trigger and the RomeoZero optic. See the red dot there. Serial number, caliber. Slide's still nice and smooth. Overall, this gun's a perfect everyday carry. And if you're interested in this gun or any of our others, check them out at d4guns.com.